Okay guys, in this video I'm going to explain the relation between velocity and acceleration. When the velocity is positive, what will happen to position function? Because we said velocity gives us information about the position function, like the particle is moving to the left, right, up, down, and the acceleration gives us the information about velocity. The velocity is increasing, decreasing. Okay guys, now when the velocity is positive, what would happen to position function or the particle? And when the velocity is negative, also when the velocity is zero. And the same for acceleration. When acceleration is positive, and when acceleration is negative, and when acceleration is zero. When we solve examples and the final examples, we get like the acceleration is -6. What does it mean? And when the velocity is positive, what does it mean? When the velocity is positive, guys, it means the particle is moving to the right if the motion is horizontal, or up if the motion is vertical. Okay guys, when the velocity is positive, because we have two types of motion in this section, horizontal motion and vertical motion. So when the velocity is positive, it means the particle is moving to the right or up. But when the velocity is negative, it means the particle or body or any or attribute is going to the left or down. Okay, but when the velocity is zero, it tells us the particle stops. Okay, it tells us the particle stops moving. Okay, يعني يمشي بيجي it's at rest. But يا درسينا if you say like the position function is zero, no, it's not correct. But when the velocity is zero, it tells us the particle or body stops moving to the left or down, right or up. Okay, boşa. So acceleration, when the acceleration is positive, it tells us the velocity is increasing. When the acceleration is positive, the velocity is increasing. And when the acceleration is negative, it tells us the velocity is decreasing. But when the acceleration is zero, it tells us the velocity is constant. For example, when we solve example, I get final example that, for example, a equals -3 meter per second squared. It means at this time velocity is decreasing at a rate of 3 meter per second at every second.